Hi, superheroes. Today we are going to learn about how addition and subtraction are connected to help us with our fluency of addition and subtraction facts up to 20. So here I have a 10 frame with 10 counters on it. I'm going to take away some counters, and then looking at the counters that are left, I want you to figure out how many are in the cup. So I'm going to pause the video while I take some counters away. All right, now can you guess how many are in the cup based on how many are here? All right, so now let's see what we decided. We have 1, 2, 3, 4, 5 in the cup, and we had 5 still on the 10 frame. So now let's write an equation to match that. We started with 10, we took away some, we didn't know how many at first, and then we were left with 5. That's a little bit complicated to solve. It's like a little bit of weird of an equation. So another equation that we can write that still matches is 5 plus unknown equals 10. Did you think about fact families just now? Well, you are correct. Yes, this is a fact family. 10 minus 5 equals 5, and 5 plus 5 equals 10. The unknown was 5. Now we're going to try it again with a different number. All right, so now I took some more away. I have my cup. How many do you think are in the cup based on what is left here? Did you say 3? So what would a number sentence be to match that? What equation would we do to match that? What did we start with? We started with 10. We took away some. We don't know how many yet. And we were left with 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6, 7. We were left with 7. But again, that's kind of complicated to solve. So what's another way that we can write that number sentence? We can do 7 plus unknown equals 10. And we know that we had 3. We took away 3 that were in the cup. So the unknown is 3. Now we're going to try it with one more. All right, so again, we started with 10, and now based on how many are left, how many do you think are in the cup? I'll give you a second to think about it. Did you say 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6, 7? Did you say 7? What would our number sentence be to match that? We started with 10. We took away an unknown amount, and we were left with 3. What's the other number sentence we can write for that? We could do 3 plus unknown equals 10. And we had 7 that was the unknown. Just got my marker. What do you notice any connections with these here? For this one, we started with 10, we took away an unknown, we were left with 7, and the unknown was 3. For this one, we started with 10, took away an unknown, we were left with 3, and the unknown was 7. It's the same numbers. They're all connected. It's a fact family. OMG. So this shows us that addition and subtraction are connected. And we also can look at that with fact families too. Or another way to say it is a part, whole. The whole is, the whole entire amount. So in addition, when we're doing addition, we have a part, and we put them together to make the whole. So the parts here were 7 and 3, and the whole was 10. Then when we're doing subtraction, we have a whole, and we're taking a part away to figure out what that other part is, which is what we did here. Our whole was 10, we took away 3, we got 7. And here, our whole was 10, we took away 7, and we got 3. So no matter what way we do it, we're still left with the same numbers. So our whole was 10. Our parts were 7 and 3. When we had 10, we took away 7, we were left with 3. When we had 10 and we took away 3, we were left with 7. So addition and subtraction are connected. Great. So your quick check is Taylor is trying to solve 10 minus unknown equals 8. What is another way she can write the equation? Because remember, the 10 minus unknown, that's a little bit tricky, so we can write it in another way. So if it helps you, you can draw out the part whole, and then you can figure out what that other equation is.